what is up? Welcome back to my channel and welcome to another fall diary. I have just been having so much fun this fall. I mean, I am someone who is severely like seasonally depressed. I really don't like the cooler months, but so far it's actually been a pretty warm fall and I've been kind of bouncing all over the country. So if you guys haven't seen, I also did a fall in Colorado and New York City vlog. Be sure to go check those out if you haven't seen them. And now we are in North Carolina. I'm in my family's house, my hometown, which is Raleigh, North Carolina. That area, I grew up in Cary. My parents now live in Durham, if you're familiar with the area. So we are here, and this is just gonna be a really fun fall vlog. I'm not gonna lie, I've been so busy. There's a lot going on behind the scenes, which you guys will find out about in other videos, but I've been so busy. So it is currently 1 p.m. I just finished a morning work sesh, and today we are going to the North Carolina State Fair. Just by coincidence, the fair is actually in town right now. So I'm gonna be going to the NC State Fair tonight, and I am stoked to have the chance to go this year. So that is the main thing I have going on today. And then I'm also just gonna be taking care of a bunch of other work, business related stuff. But I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. So right now I'm currently chugging water, and I wanted to mention something, you guys. My face, like, okay, when I go to the US, I eat so many more carbs compared to in Korea. I eat a lot of bread here and bagels and breakfast sandwiches and stuff like that here. And my face just like packs everything in. So my face has felt super puffy the past few days because I've been here for like 2 weeks now. So I have just been really focusing on getting water in. Later, we're gonna go get some lunch from Whole Foods, and I'm gonna make sure it's like a big veggie stocked plate. And yeah, this week we're gonna be really focused on taking care of our health. So I'm not gonna be eating out as much. I'll probably eat some fair food, of course, but that is gonna be another focus for this week. We're gonna do some fall cooking and baking. Oh my gosh, look what I just found in my car. Hello, Jungkook. How are you? Growing up, I always had a really bad like connotation, or like, I don't know, I just didn't love fair season because I remember when I was a kid, like elementary school age, my mom was a single mom and she did not have the money to take us to the fair. Which, like, bless her heart, I'm glad she's in a much better situation now. But that was always hard because I, like, you know, when you're a kid, like, that kind of stuff is so out of your control, you know? But what's great is now I'm in, you know, I'm an adult and I can pave a way for my life. And I know not everyone has the advantage of doing that. You know, some people aren't born into situations that give them, you know, freedom. But that's a conversation for a whole nother time. But anyways, I'm just really happy that I can go to the fair now and I can enjoy it with my money. And I just want to remind you guys that, like, you are my job. So thank you so much for supporting my videos and loving my content. It literally means so much to me. But okay, let's go to the fair. Oh my god, I will say Good. Here we go. Skies is dark out there, isn't it?
I know that I'm well away from being a perfect guy. I can't have a bad temper, make a big fuss and cry. And I know that lately it's been hard. We had a bumpy ride.
Hello guys, it is the next day now. Let me just get you guys set down. Oh my gosh, the fair, so much fun yesterday. I am so glad that I went with my friend, and we just both could have talked all night, honestly. I also feel great today, even though I ate like several different dishes last night. Her and I, we shared everything, and then we were walking the whole time around there. So we didn't wait in any lines, we were just walking the whole time. And let me check how many steps I did because I never checked that last night. Wow, I did 25 1,000 steps yesterday. Anyways, it is the next day now, and I have just been running around doing work stuff, and then I have an appointment in about 30 minutes for a wax. It's gonna hurt so much, but I'm going to Hawaii in a few days, so I'm like, I really need to just take care of that. But I got to the area early, and I'm actually in my like hometown. So when I went to college, my mom and my stepdad, they moved to a city about like 20 minutes away from my hometown. So I actually don't come to my hometown a lot. You know, their place does not feel like a hometown because I've never lived in there. But I drove back to my actual high school neighborhood, and I'm just like shook. I mean, so many memories here. I'm parked looking at the neighborhood pool, and that's such an American thing, like having a neighborhood pool that you can just go to. I miss that a lot. And I have some extra time. I have like 20 minutes. So I think I'm just gonna take a walk because the colors are so beautiful right now. And I mean, why not? Like the air just feels so good. So let me go ahead and put my bag down and grab all my stuff. Today is also like the first chilly day. It's like 50 degrees today, so I'm wearing a sweatshirt, and it actually feels super cozy to be able to wear something like this. So I've been doing a really good job, you guys, at embracing fall. So if you have seasonal depression like myself, here's a sign that it is possible. You just gotta see the beauty in the small things. Like, for example, I love the colors. I mean, like, the colors are absolutely beautiful. I love the food. There's definitely like small things that you can enjoy. All right, let's go. That is definitely one of the things I love about US suburbia, is people decking their house out. I love all the flags also. Crazy.
Okay, so don't even worry about it.
Yeah, I kind of want insulation.
Good afternoon, everyone. So if I look a little bit sandy, it's because I just left the beach, but I'm about to go to the Waimanalo Farms pumpkin patch. So a super fun fall thing to do while I'm here in Hawaii, to like get in the spirit. My boyfriend has never been to a pumpkin patch, right? Gosh. I'm excited to get him in the fall spirit too. So let's go. Do you want to have pumpkin spice latte later?
Oh yeah.
First PSL?
PSL?
Pumpkin spice latte.
Pumpkin spice?
Pumpkin spice.
Latte?
Yeah.
It's drinking? Coffee?
Yeah. It's a latte.
But spicy.
It's not spicy like, you know, tteokbokki, but it has a little, it's like cinnamon spice.
Oh,
You know how cinnamon has that spicy taste?
Oh yeah.
Cute. Oh my god, it's so cute. So it's your first time. I think this is both our first time at a sunflower field, right? Oh, good. Hi guys, so it is about a week later now, a little more than a week later now, and I just wanted to come on and close off this fall video. I just woke up not too long ago. It's very early. It is actually 9 a.m. I've got some coffee right now and I'm just like waking up. But I was editing this video and I realized I never finished it because the last time I talked to you guys was at the pumpkin patch, and then shortly after that a huge tragedy in Itaewon, Seoul happened, and that just completely, I think, has devastated the whole nation of Korea. And as you guys know, I've lived there for 3 years, so it you know, was super heartbreaking for me to read that news, and I am just praying so hard for everyone affected by that. It's really taken a huge toll on everything, you know. I feel like I find myself praying for those victims like so many times every single day. I think this is one of those situations that everyone feels so hopeless in, just because, you know, like nothing can be undone from what happened, which is really, really sad. And I just want everyone to know, like, I'm praying so hard for the victims, and if you were affected or anyone, I'm praying really hard for you. But yes, that tragedy kind of kept me away from the camera for the past week. I just was not in the vlogging mood. You know, I wasn't in the mood, and then also out of respect for the victims, and Korea was doing like a week of mourning, so it just made sense to keep the camera down. But I am picking it back up today to close off this video, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. I can't even thank you enough for like giving me the chance to come back and experience this fall in the States. Has just been the greatest blessing, and it's all because of you guys and your support. I got to go to New York, Colorado, North Carolina. I got to see 2 of my best friends get married in North Carolina. I got to help my aunt in Florida, and now I got to come to where I am now, shooting something really, really exciting that is not YouTube related, but it is something I'm very much invested into. So I hope you guys are excited for what's to come this winter. Please let me know what content you want to see on my channel. I'm feeling super inspired again. When I left Korea, I feel like I didn't feel super inspired to go anywhere and film anywhere there, but I feel like after taking a month away from Korea, I feel like I'm feeling very excited and inspired to get back to it. And that is just typical burnouts, you know. It doesn't mean I don't like living there. It's just the fact that I was getting like very, I guess, overwhelmed. You know, when you live abroad for 3 years, it can get overwhelming at times. So I was going through that, but I'm feeling a lot better now, and I'm heading back there in a few days. So I'm super excited. Cannot wait to see Miss Cleo. She misses you guys. I've been getting so many cute pictures of her. And yeah, by the way, my hair is doing this like 80s style thing today, so we're just gonna let it do that because I can't be bothered. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Once again, please pray for all the victims from the Itaewon Halloween tragedy. I got a message on Instagram. Somebody asked me to stop talking about it, and I'm just like, y'all, I'm we're not doing that. That's about it for this video. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you very soon in my next vlog.